Hello friends, welcome to Technocrat CS Academy. In this series of database management system, we discuss in previous video all basic concept of database, what is the architecture of database, what is the schema, what is the types of data independence and etc. Now in this video we are going to start discussion of ERD, that is nothing but very important topic, that is entity relationship diagram. Now here we are going to discuss in details what is what is the relationship of ER and DBMS, what is the importance of ER, and in many competitive exam and in many university exam also the basic concept of ER or ERD, the many basic questions can be asked on this topic. So all this basic concept and introduction we are going to discuss here. So let's start. So here in this video we are going to discuss first of all what is the introduction of ER model, that is we are going to discuss what is the basics introduction of ER model and basic concept. Then second we are going to discuss what is the entity and what is entity set. Now there are some types of entity like strong entity, what is weak entity, that all we are going to discuss with example. Now third part we are going to discuss what is the attribute and types of attribute. Now there are some types of attribute like single value, what is a simple attribute, what is a compositive attribute, then multi-value attributes. All that type we're going to discuss with the example and how the attribute is represented into ER. That all we are going to discuss one by one in this series of entity relationship diagram. And next fourth part we're going to discuss what is the relationship. Now there are some types of relationship like one to one, one to many, many to one and many to many, and relationship is defined between the two entity and how it going to define or how it describe, then what is the degree of relationship, what is the cardinality, then what is the partial participity. So all this concept we're going to discuss here. And last we're going to study some case studies of ER diagram. So let's start with the part of introduction of ER model. So basically, first of all, in history of ER model, Peter Chain is credited with developing ER modeling for database design in 1970. So in 1970, Peter Chain developed ER model. Now, entity relationship model or ER model describe structure of database. Now we know that our database, we store the data in the form of data or in the form of table. So before storing this database into table, we have to represent into some diagram or some pictorial form which is known as entity relationship diagram. Now this ER model defines conceptual view of database. Now what is mean by conceptual view? In previous video we defined what is the conceptual view and what is the physical view. Now in physical view we related how data is going to store, what is the physical structure of data storage, that all concept is coming under physical view. But in conceptual view we'll here discuss what is the entity, what is the relationship between one entity and other entity. So that's why the ER model is nothing but the conceptual view. So ER model is design or blueprint of database that can be later it implemented as database. So before storing the database into table, we have to draw it into pictorial form, or we can consider it's a one kind of blueprint of database, and then we are going to convert it into relational database. Now it works around real world entity and the entity is associate among them. So ER model is used to model logical view or conceptual view of system from data perspective. That is it relate or it gives the perspective of real object which consist entity, then entity types like strong entity, weak entity and entity set. Now entity relation diagram is a type of flowchart blueprint. We can describe how entities such as people, objects or concepts relate to each other. That means It gives the relation between one entity to another entity within the system. That is nothing but entity relationship diagram. Now let's understand what is the basic definition of entity. Entity may be object with physical existence. For example, people, car, house or employee. That means entity gives a perception of real object like person, car, student, etc. And entity is a definable things such as what is student, what is the object, what are the concept or things or event that have some data we have stored about it. That is the think of entity as consider nouns. Now an entity is an object of entity type and all that entity is nothing but entity set. Now entity is represented by rectangle shape. So in short we can say entity is nothing but real world, or it is an object which describe some things or objects in real world. That is perception of real object. An ER diagram shows the relationship among this entity set. Now entity set is group of similar entity and this entity can have attributes. Now what is attribute? Attribute is nothing but properties of entity. Now in terms of DBMS, entity is table or attribute of table in database. So by showing this relationship among tables and their attribute. So ER diagram show a logical structure of database. So ER diagram includes the three things, that is nothing but first entity, attribute and relationship. Now let's understand one by one what is entity, what is attribute and how it is represented, what is relationship and how it is represented. Now we use the ER diagram to generate some picture, that is nothing but form of data we collect. For example, just like software design, we collect information or some requirement and then we convert it into the form of diagram or some nouns or any objects. That is nothing but entity. And relationship is nothing but what is the attribute or the relationship. That means the we are going to associate between one entity to another entity. That is nothing but the relationship. Now the attribute is nothing but the properties or thing which describe the entities. Now entity may be object with physical existence, a particular person, car, house, employee or student. Now this is the example of entity. Now this is student is the one kind of entity. It is represent a real word object student and it represented by rectangle shape. Now what is attribute? Now attribute are property which defines the entity. Now in here we describe the student as an entity. Now student have some information like student have some student roll number, student name, then student address, student class, etc. So all these are information about the student, that is nothing but attribute or student properties or student characteristics, and it is nothing but it called as attribute. Now it represented by oval shape. For example, roll number, name, date of birth, age, address, class are becomes the attributes which define entity type student. Now what is relationship? Now relation types represent association between the entity types. Now or it represent the association between the two entities, two or more entities. That is nothing but relationship. So in ER diagram, relationship type represent by a diamond shape and it connected with the lines. So this is the one ER diagram. This is the first entity student, this is the second entity course, and this entity is represented into rectangle shape. It associated with this relationship, it is represented by diamond. So student enroll in course. So this is the example of ER diagram. So this is all about the basics idea or basic things or introduction of ER diagram. In next video we will going to discuss what is the entity, what is the types of entity like strong entity and weak entity, what is the and entity set. So this is all about ER diagram. Thank you.